Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up the Canon PIXMA MP170 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP170 support into Google. Best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MP170. Open that up. Now that we're on this page, you want to scroll down and expand underneath software and drivers. Select the My Printer file in here and then the download button. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open that up. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And then you want to follow along with the on-screen prompts here and then get this all set up and installed on your computer. And you can create a desktop shortcut. You can launch this application and select Diagnose and Repair Printer, and that'll launch the diagnostic and repair utility that you should then be able to connect to your printer successfully. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.